All right, training materials are so important. Okay, media, video, pictures, banners, okay, GIFs, animated things, okay? You need help with all this, okay? We all do. Because only a handful of us know how to create a banner or a GIF or some type of moving thing or just a short video that we can use. TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, okay? Done for you. Done. DF you. Done for you. Okay. We want to do it for you. So the training materials are pretty cool. Okay. And there's a process on how you get this. So I'm talking to you affiliates right now. All right. So if you want to join Save Club, which if you're watching my videos, I can't imagine you're not already joined. But if you have not and you have no idea what the hell it is, you got to get in. All right, kid? All right. I love saveclub.com. Will you please go there real quick? Just go ahead and watch this YouTube video. All right. It's our founder. His name is Charles Moy. All right. He's going to tell you all about this opportunity, more detail. And then if you want more information or you want to join, fill this section out, hit that orange button, and then we're going to rock and roll and party every day like my little Kiss t-shirt. Okay. Now, this is the back office to Save Club. All right. Now, if you have joined or if you have not, this is important because with my experience, 95% of people that try to do this business as an affiliate, you run out of posting things. You run out of brain cells. You get brain fog. You just go, what the hell am I going to do? I've already asked my friends and family to look into this, but no, you can't run out of things to post. Now, do you see on the left here it says training? Okay, I want you to go ahead and click that. Okay. Now, important pre-launch warning. Save Club is currently in pre-launch. Okay. I'm making this video May 15th of 2025, so we're about 15 days away. Our official launch is June number 1. During pre-launch, some of our discounts and savings may not be available. Okay. The links, the pages, tools, they might not be fully functional. Okay. So just remember we're in pre-launch right now. Now, if you're watching this video 2 weeks in my future, then boom, by June 1st, everything's going to be just kicking butt. But this whole training tab is functional. All right, so this is what you do. You log in, scroll down to right here where it says training. Okay, you see it right there? Okay, now watch this. It's just a short little video that tells you about what to do. It's just a YouTube video. Okay, now click the button to access the Save Club Marketing Materials Google Drive. Okay, now I'm just going to click this orange button. Okay, now if you're familiar with Google Drive, then you know what this page looks like. Do you see webinar reels, non-branded? That means video or pictures that don't say Save Club. And when it says branded, that means usually through the video or at the very end of the picture, it'll say Save Club, Save Club, Save Club. Use whatever one. Just remember that if you use any of these materials, you just have to make sure you have a link. In my case, I love Save Club. Okay, just make sure if you have something to say it. But the most important thing is if you're going to make a link where people click it, make sure that it clicks to your exact link. Okay, sometimes you can just put www.ilovesaveclub.com and it's not clickable. You know what I mean? Okay, it's up to you. Sometimes if you don't have many views on TikTok, they don't make your links clickable yet. Instagram, Facebook. Just make sure that wherever you post, even if you send an email or an inbox message, okay, practice. Okay, practice with a friend. If you're going to send something through Facebook or an email or Instagram or whatnot, or if you're going to post, just play around with it. You can always delete whatever you're creating or sending. Okay, but get real good at every single social media platform by sending videos, by just offering somebody to click something to watch something. Okay, but this is exciting. So just remember, when you log in your back office, you're going to hit My Training tab. Watch this video just once or twice. It's just a short little video that explains everything. Hit this Market and Material, and then boom, if you want to, you can even hit that star and just save it. That way you don't have to log in and then hit training and go to this and go to that. So what I've done is I use Google Chrome. So what I did is I just made, if you look at my screen, I made a folder called Save Club, and this is called Save Club dash promo materials, which means little videos, longer videos, little animated things. Okay, just go through 5.2, 5.11, and all that means is May 2nd. There's a ton. Okay, just 5.2 alone. Let me open it up. See where it says branded and unbranded. Branded means, like I said, it has Save Club, reference the logo or something. But look at how many. Look at that. There's just tons. Fast food, donuts, jewelry. Okay. Now, unbranded, this just means it's neutral. All right. Look at how many. This is just in May 2nd. And we, like I said, if you belong to this club or my individual team, we have a powerhouse of people making this stuff to make sure everybody succeeds. Because the more members we get worldwide, all right, the more products we're going to have, the more commissions we can make. Okay, and things will get cheaper. It's really up to Charles, our CEO. And if he has, a board of this or somebody that he answers to, it's just a matter of there's always savings and power in numbers. Okay, the group I have is kick-ass. So I hope you join. All right, webinar reels. 5.11 is just more stuff for you to use. Okay, but bookmark this page. And what I did, do you see when you hit that little minus sign right here? Okay. And you hit this little button that says, well, there's like 3 buttons in a row. I think you guys know it. You can see my screen, right? Hit the little button there. See where it says download? Right now, I can download on my computer, and I'm on a home computer. See where it says non-branded? Okay, non-branded. I hit those 3 dots. And if I hit download, everything in that non-branded folder will go on my home computer. Same with webinar branded 5.11. Okay. I recommend downloading everything that's on the Google Drive. Let's just say someone comes and eats your Google Drive folder, which is never going to happen, but it's always great to just own this stuff. Put it on your own computer. I have a whole bunch of computers here at the radio station. I actually have 7 different computers, plus my cell phone and 2 laptops. So guys, I'm going to put all this material on a whole bunch of different computers just in case something happens. Okay, just in case. I always have these videos and reels and pictures and banners ready to go. I'm so excited that we have this because with my experience, and I've signed up thousands of people over the last 2 years in multiple businesses, everybody in the first 30 days, guess what happens? You completely run out of ideas. You get brain fog. You don't know what to do. And people write me. Even today, I must have had 20 emails easy about marketing and what to do. And that's totally fine. You're not bugging me. It means that you're interested and you just want to kick ass as an affiliate. Okay, the membership side is awesome. For $19.97, guys, you're going to, in my opinion, disclaimer, you're going to save $100 to $200 a month on stuff you're already buying. So right now, everyone is going to completely love Save Club. No one's going to quit, especially at $20. It's like you come up to me and go, hey, Cory, give me $20. I give you 20 and you hand me back $100 or $200. That's pretty damn cool, right? Piece of me go. Now, or Amiga too. All right. But when you want to be an affiliate, it's only $60. That is it. $60. You got it. All right. So come on, $79.97. You're paid for the month. You're an affiliate. And if you want to join for the year, it's up to you. You have a choice. But if you join for the year, you are instantly a VIP and you make greater commissions. All right. So anyway, let me just show you how to join. For those that have already joined, you already know how cool this opportunity is. Go to ilovesaveclub.com. All right. Click that. And just like I said, please watch this little YouTube video. Fill out this form right below me right here and click that orange button. Now here's something else. If you have not joined, or if you're kind of stuck, I have a funnel that over explains Save Club. You don't have to do nothing. For 20 minutes, we've got a funnel, and it's a video that is completely animated. It's got charts and people. It explains the pay plan, how to use the membership, even has examples of how to walk in a business, hold up your phone, or to print it out, a little coupon. All right? But it is overkill. I love it because a lot of people don't want to do a video like I'm doing, and I don't blame you. You know, it's kind of a pain in the ass, but I enjoy video. But you guys, saveclubfunnels.com. It's 25 bucks. Okay, that's it. I've had about 20 to 25 people sign up for this. And guess what? I have a reoccurring $20. So right now I got about 400 or 500 bucks coming in next month alone. All right, so look into this. It's only 25 bucks, guys. You can do exactly what I do. When people sign up, help them, show them the training tab like I just showed you how to get all the videos and all the promo material. But if you get stuck, just think about it. It's 25 bucks. You don't have to do it. All it does is have your own capture page, and it takes people through a slower, more easygoing process to explain Save Club. Some people just want to sit back and just watch a video, pause it, and watch it again 2 or 3 times before they make a decision. Okay? Now, the best part is if you want to buy leads, traffic, or clicks. You can't do that with the Powerline Save Club page. Because if there's any spam or bots clogging up the system, they're going to turn off your affiliate division. Okay, and then you can't earn any money, and that's not cool. So do not think of sending any paid traffic or email leads directly in to your Powerline landing page. But if you're going to do it, you got to do it through a funnel. Because bots and spam and all that stuff, they can't go through the funnel because first of all, you have to put your name, contact information, then you got to click a button and click a button and click a button. All right, all the spam and all the bullcrap, they're not that fancy. So by the time you go through the funnel, it's a human that wants to go through the funnel and wants to join the Save Club. And maybe they want to buy some traffic. I don't, but if you do, that's cool. But you got to do it through the funnel, okay? So guys, please go and just check things out, okay? Take your time, but not too much time, because right now we are in pre-launch. I'm producing this video May 15th. Guys, in 15 days, all right, we're going to have a lot of things going, and the whole world is going to find out about this because there's never been an online worldwide savings empire like this where you can go to China, anywhere in Asia, go down to Africa, Australia, cruise to New Zealand, to New Guinea, and then maybe hop on over to Hawaii, get yourself a tan. But there is so many already businesses inside the club. Okay, there's going to be well over 1 million people and 1 million savings. Just give it 3, 6, 9 months to a year. But if you're an affiliate, you need to get in now. There's going to be massive teams being built, especially mine. Okay, let's do this. All right, I'm serious. We're going to have a lot of fun. Okay, guys, you can see the 2 links. Just click them, check them out, and that's it, man. All right, cheers to you. I'm thirsty after doing this video. 12 minutes, 13 minutes long. All right, guys, you have a good day. All right, and I'm excited. This is one of the most exciting opportunities I've done. All right, this is a lot of fun. Okay, take care, guys. We'll see you next video. Cheers.